Hey Joe, Bob Holzhacker here with Prime Mercedes-Benz in Scarborough, Maine. We've been working together on this 2017 Tacoma, a real in-demand truck. We were lucky enough to take in trade on a new Mercedes-Benz SUV. 32,000 miles, it's a 2017, still looks like new. Nice tonneau cover back here, that's a nice option. Really is just beautifully done. You've got the trailer hitch and the wiring, which is important to have built in from the factory if you're going to pull anything at all. You've got the famous Toyota V6 in this. Tires are great. Let's take a look in the interior. No wear whatsoever. It's the benefit of one of these late model trucks. These run forever. I have a Sequoia at home with 238,000 miles and it's 17 years old now. Still looks great. It's a white. These tend to hold their shape. They do tend to hold their value also. So in a few years when you go to sell this, within 5 years or so, you'll get a good return on it. So let's drive it around the lot here a little bit. So you have the extra seat in back, which comes in handy, but it doesn't add a ton of length to the overall truck. It's pretty nice. Now, one thing we offer to all of our customers is the free car wash on Saturdays. You would pull your car in here, get a number, come in for coffee and a roll, and we hand wash your car, which is a pretty nice thing to get, and it's pretty rare in Maine. So that's the story on this truck. I can't tell you how clean it is. It just looks like it's been well cared for. I don't smell smoke or pets or anything like that. It really looks like a new truck. Again, it's Bob Holzhacker, 207-747-9714, Joe. Thank you. Bye-bye.